Industrial plants and facilities are monitoring, analyzing, and controlling more signals than ever. Converting those processed signals from their analog state to a stable digital communication signal is paramount. The Moore Industries TMZ PC programmable MODBUS temperature transmitter and signal converter delivers flexibility as well as the reliability customers have come to expect. The TMZ accepts a direct signal input from a wide array of sensors and analog devices, including RTD, thermocouple, current, voltage, millivolt, ohms, resistance, and potentiometer. The TMZ converts these inputs to standard MODBUS RTU digital communication protocol, providing you the ability to directly interface with MODBUS-based monitoring and control systems. This makes the TMZ an ideal and economical solution for monitoring dispersed points or points in small clusters, allowing more signals to be collected and concentrated onto a single MODBUS RTU communication link. The TMZ is easy to configure using a free copy of Intelligent PC configuration software available on the Moore Industries website. The TMZ offers long-term stability of up to 5 years, 20-bit input resolution, an ambient operating temperature range of -40°C to 85°C, with isolation and RFI EMI protection. And since the measurement is delivered to your host system as a digital signal, the output error produced by a traditional analog transmitter is eliminated. Now, Moore Industries is proud to introduce the newest member of the TMZ family, the dual-input TMZ MODBUS temperature transmitter and signal converter. This new dual-input version offers all the capabilities of the single-channel TMZ and provides additional increased density and reduced costs by doubling your signal monitoring capability in a single unit. Up to 32 TMZs or 64 signals can be multi-dropped onto a single low-cost communication link. In addition, you can use the data delivered to the host from both sensors via the MODBUS output for averaging, differential, or sensor backup applications. Demand more reliability and find out more about the TMZ family of MODBUS converters by visiting our website at www.miinet.com.